Hey guys, I'm sorry if I'm kind of quiet, it's just my parents are sleeping. I'm making a YouTube video on how to make a fake bruise, fake realistic looking bruise. You can do it wherever, but I'm choosing to do it on my leg, because fair skin, it's clean shaved, so yeah. This is what it looks like when it's done. I'm just going to put this here, and I'm going to do it right here beside this. So you need a couple little things. You need like a little lip chap that you're not afraid to ruin. You need a makeup brush that you're not afraid to ruin. Like if you have a crappy makeup brush, you can use it. And you need dark purple, white, and black eyeshadow. And a little bit of cover up, like the powder kind of cover up. So I'm gonna do it like right here, so you can see it better. I'm gonna take off my shoe because it's kind of bugging me. So first I'm gonna start with this. It's like, you don't need this exact one. You can do whatever your skin shade is. But if you have darker skin, I suggest using darker colors. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the area. It doesn't even matter if I need to take up that much space. Just so you have a clean slate, so you know that it's clean and everything's there. Well, not everything's there, but yeah. So once I have that whole area powdered, I'm going to take a little bit of my lip chap and rub it on one area. So see how I have that one area there covered with lip chap. So then I'm going to take my crappy brush, which I have here, and I'm going to take my dark purple. That's how dark it is. Sorry, my camera's looking really crappy right now. But I'm just gonna take really dark purple and cover the whole area where I put down the chapstick. Chapstick, lip balm, lipstick, like lip gloss, doesn't really matter what you use. You could even use like hand cream. But I just chose to use my lip gloss because I don't really have anything else that I would be willing to use. So once you get a pretty good amount of this on, so it's fairly dark, like it's not as dark as this yet because I still have to add the black and everything else. So cover the whole thing with a dark purple. Then I take the other side of my brush and get black eyeshadow. Kinda, oh, I think I got black. Kind of blend it in with this, so it makes kind of a brownish color. If you want, you can, you might need a little bit of green too, so like a dark navy green. So you see how it's starting to look like a bruise, like glossiness and everything. This one's a little different because you can make it like a funky shape too, so it doesn't look like you did it. Because when you're making a bruise, looking like you did it is the last thing you want. Because you want people to believe it's real. So I'm going to take just a little bit more black and blend it in because I don't think that's dark enough. take like a super dark green, the darkest green you can have, like kind of a navy green, like that. Can't even see it. Whatever, like a dark navy green. Just blend it in there a little bit because they're a little bit green. I'm not usually green on the whole thing, so just like put on a little bit of the bruise. And you don't have to if you don't want to, it's completely optional. So after you do that, you're gonna want to take like a little bit of white eyeshadow, just go over the whole thing. So it makes it match your skin color more. Unless you have darker skin, then you don't have to do the white part. But I like to because I have really fair, thin, or not thin, very fair skin. So it's very light. So my bruise wouldn't be that dark. The whole point of this is to make it look real. I have done this many times before. It has worked. Sometimes I do actually get bruises like this, just in case any of my friends are watching. I come into school with this big huge bruise, it might be real. You can usually tell if a bruise is real or fake if you look really closely at it, depending on how glossy it is. Like, that bruise right there looks fake because I didn't put enough stuff on it. But see how I'm taking it, toning down the color. And then you can take a little bit more of this pad on over top. It's a lot more real to me than it does on the camera. The camera is really not helping my situation at all. Sometimes it might be a little over glossy, so that's where you take this and put a little bit on. Because you know how bruises are sometimes a little bit glossy looking. But that's pretty much all you do. If you want, you can add like more detail into it. But this was just like a little video. And if you want to, make it a little bit darker. Take like a black easy smudging pen, smudge it into it, because then it makes like darker spots too where you might have hurt yourself even more. But that's my tutorial on how to make easy fake bruises. Sorry about my hair, it's kind of messed. Got like 10 at night. Oh, that's scab. But hope you enjoyed, and bye.